Most people lose money in crypto not because of bad luck, but because they ignored the warning signs. Here are 3 red flags that should make you walk away immediately. Red flag 1. Anonymous team. If the founders are hiding their identities, ask yourself why. Legitimate projects have verifiable public-facing teams. No names, no accountability, no investment. Red flag 2. No real use case. If you cannot explain in one sentence what the coin actually does or solves, it has no business existing. Hype is not a use case. Walk away. Red flag 3. Promises of guaranteed returns. No legitimate crypto project guarantees profits. If someone is promising fixed returns or telling you to act fast, that is a scam, not an opportunity. Spotting red flags before you invest is what separates smart crypto investors from the ones who get wiped out. Watch the full breakdown, link in the description. Please subscribe to my channel for one money tip every day.